Hey guys, it's US Storms and Sirens with another video. We're getting some 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts in Frisco, Texas. We also have a severe weather outbreak for the next couple of days, and there's a bad storm coming at 4 o'clock in the morning. It could bring some gusty winds and hail. We have a slight risk. And yeah, we're just getting some really strong wind gusts right now. Yeah, like the night before a storm rolls in, these strong wind gusts will come. That's what I heard. As you can see, we got all Bradford pears growing over here. These Bradford pears came from a Bradford pear in someone's yard. Let's see if I can get a swishing noise out of my cypress. See. Well, there you go. There's your swishing noise already. Wow. That's crazy. That was like a good gust. So these gusts will continue for the rest of the day and into the nighttime. You can see the backyard over there. As you can see, my oak tree has all of its leaves back. That's good. But they haven't grown to their full size yet. The leaves haven't. So these winds are probably being produced by that dark cloud right there. It looks darker on the camera, but in real life it looks lighter. So yeah, we're just getting some strong wind gusts today. We did have a branch come off, but not a live one, a diseased one off the oak. This is the size of it. I just gotta throw this in the pile. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The wind just shifted directions. This is like the November 18th storm. I don't know if you guys remember that storm. That storm that hit November 18th with the sideways rainstorm. That was a pretty good gust. Oh my gosh. My phone's at 48%, so yeah. See if I can take a look at the backyard. Yeah, the wind's going kind of good there too. It's just super windy today. It's just a beautiful day in Texas. You can literally hear my oak tree swishing because they have the leaves. Oh my gosh. Look at my oak tree. Yeah, when oak trees get their leaves back, they bend over so much. Like the tops bend over so much. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can hear my oak tree swishing. Well, it's actually the leaves that are swishing because the leaves are growing back. Yeah, you can hear that other Bradford pear going over there. over here real quick. So these wind gusts right now in my area are currently up to 39 miles per hour. 39 miles per hour. That's the wind gusts. Possibly gusting up to 45. I don't know. We'll see. Said 45 minimum amount on wind gusts. Possible. And there's another oak tree growing in my yard. Subscribe if I should keep that. There's also another oak tree growing at the entrance of my backyard here. That's a Texas red oak. Texas red oaks are pretty cool. They grow up to 50 feet. Sometimes you'll hear like that, those stick noises. Those are sticks colliding with each other. Let's see if I can get another swishing noise out of my cypress again. I'm trying to get another swishing noise. Let's see if it happens. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's probably not going to happen. But I do hear trees going. Oh my gosh. That was like a really good swish. It was like, it just came out of nowhere. It was like, whoosh. That was a good one. That was a very good one. Zoom to the 7-minute and 30, skip to the 7-minute 30 mark for that big swoosh. Man, these winds are insane. Like, literally. Wow, look at that oak tree over there. I'm not kidding. This is actually like the November 18th storm. I'm just worried those Bradford pears might break. Because I heard that Bradford pear branches are weak. Because they're weak-wooded. It's because their branches come out on the same side of the trunk. That's what makes it unstable. Let's see if we can hear my Yopon holly swish. Because I have heard this tree before swish. I have heard it before. As you can see, it has new growth on it. My Yopon holly's right next to my house. So come on, just do a swish for me. Please. But the branches are moving. I'm going to be standing here for another 30 minutes, waiting for a swish to happen. I think I heard a little bit of it. Yeah, this tree is kind of hard to hear. Swish. My oak tree, it's doing good. All my trees are in good health. Of course, people are always mowing their lawns, especially at this time. All right, let's see what my phone's at. 43%. All right, guys, I'm going to go to the backyard because that lawnmower is really annoying. So I'm going to go to the backyard and I'll see y'all in a moment. All right, so here it is in the back. I can hear that big Chinese elm swishing over there, even though it has its leaves back. Look at my tree, my dead tree. Oh my gosh, it's blowing. Bro, my dead tree's blowing so much. The winds are stronger now because they shifted directions. See it moving? Boxes blew in the yard. Whoa! I heard something. I heard like a little bang. Oh man, I was gonna have a fire today, but these winds are not helping. I keep hearing banging noises. Listen. I did hear something earlier. Take a look at that big Chinese elm. I can hear that sweet gum over there. See, here? You guys hear that? I'm gonna stand by the back door. Yeah, these gusts are just insane. Wow, look at that live oak over there. So they said the storm's gonna hit at 4 o'clock in the morning. Wow, look at that Bradford pear over there. Oh my gosh, look at the boxes. That was a 40-mile-an-hour gust. That had to be. You guys just saw the boxes blew? And these clouds are moving pretty dang fast. Like, look at how fast they're moving. Moving pretty fast. And every time a dark cloud rolls over us, the winds just get stronger. I'm gonna put these boxes back. You can hear the wind going through the fences. Oh my gosh, did you guys hear that mulberry just swish? I don't know if you guys heard that, but that mulberry just went crazy. It was like... That tree just sounded like it was gonna throw up. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you, trees are crazy. Trees can be weird. This is that mulberry. This is the tree that was going crazy a second ago. Hey, there's the front yard. You can see in the front yard. I hear stuff hitting the roof. These ones are crazy, aren't they, you guys? Let's go to that Bradford pear over here. Let's go to the Bradford pear. Oh, gotta let the dog in. All right, we're back. I can literally hear that Chinese My tree's still surviving. That's good. It's because of the wooden planks I put around it. Whoa. I don't know which tree to look at right now. Because I'm like zooming back and forth. I'm gonna go over here. Is that a bald cypress tree? What the heck? Yeah, hear those? Listen to that Chinese elm. Oh my gosh, look at my oak tree. Let me go get a better sound view of that Chinese elm. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it's going. I should probably put my glasses away because they're moving in the wind like this. They're moving like that. Let me put these away before they get damaged. Let's go to my dead tree here. I don't know if my dead tree can swish, but I'm not sure. Because it's already dying. The seeds are already starting to feel crunchy. Hey, there's just a piece of bark dangling. I'm just gonna let that go. I don't know if that's a cypress or not. I'm gonna have to figure it out later. I don't know what the heck this is. But it literally looks like a cypress tree. just weird how it gets calm. That means something bad's coming in when it gets calm. I'm gonna get on my trampoline here. That was a big gust. So, oh man, I missed it. Oh my gosh. Sorry, my mom came out here. There it is. Box is lifting up. Let's see if the base moves. Okay, here comes a gust. Not even a little bit. See, that base is really secured. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Dang, this is crazy, you guys. Dude, I just repositioned the box. Oh, I hear that Chinese zone. That's so loud. Because it's so big. It's a big tree. But I definitely heard it. I don't know if y'all did. Here, let's just try to listen for it again. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, this is my cue. Oh, there goes the box. Freaking box. Gosh, it keeps moving everywhere. I'm gonna go over here to the edge of my backyard. I should go to the back. I'm gonna go back to the back to the back. All right. I'm gonna stand at the back door again. See, look, the birds are flying away. They don't want any part of this. They literally don't want any part of this. Isn't this crazy, guys? Okay, there has to be a big gust coming soon. Well, if he would turn off his stinking lawnmower, then I would be able to hear it. I wish I had a tree in my yard, but I guess not. Because I only have a branch and only a stump and only a couple boxes. I want a tree to go right here. I would prefer like a willow or a Chinese elm. I would prefer that. Depends if its seeds can reach all the way over here. See, this is dead grass because there's a rabbit hole right there. My dog just likes to eat baby rabbits. That's kind of sad to say, but oh my gosh. That was a good gust. That was a really good gust. See, look, watch this. Watch this, it should come. I know it already came, but man, the trees in the neighborhood are going crazy today. It's actually here now because the clouds have changed directions and the wind has changed directions. Look at my tree. Whoa. I heard something. Oh my gosh, my tree just like jerked. Oh my gosh. So yeah, there is a big storm on the way. If you don't believe me, subscribe to Max Velocity. He is a big weatherman. He knows all about the weather. Better than me. So subscribe to him. Oh my gosh. Here it comes. Every time I look away, that tree goes crazy. The Bradford pear right here just goes crazy. Those clouds are moving pretty fast though. So that way is northwest. So the winds are coming from the south. So that means warm winds. These winds are pretty cool, but they're very strong. Oh my gosh, you see my camera move like that? That wasn't me, that was the wind. The wind tried to knock the camera out of my hand. This proves Texas is known for its strong winds. We have wind every day. Wow. Just your average Texas day. Including Frisco, Texas. Frisco, Texas does get a lot of wind. Gosh, this stinking mower. Hold on, I'll pause this video and I'll be back in a second. All right, we're back in the front. We're back out in the front yard because these winds are just gotten crazier. I'm sorry about his lawnmower. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright guys, I'm going to have to end this video because first of all, the winds are not even that bad and they're just kind of slowing down. Second of all, his lawnmower is pretty loud. So I appreciate y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace out.